Okay. Actually, last Thursday, our very own Tony architect Marlon Carino already met with the NPLA to present the bill, in bill form, yung proposed amendments sa 9266. No? It's now being circulated around all the other stakeholders for their final comments. So while Congress will adjourn this we'll go on the break. 16 Congress. The 16 Congress will actually adjourn this end of the month. Come July 1st, when the 17th Congress convene, we will hopefully, the next administration will file the Bill of Amendments that will help solve the problems that we encounter in the practice. Kasi doon, dinify na natin yung architectural documents, architectural design, and the participation of an architect to all aspects of design. And of course, yung architectural permit. So in effect, once yung Bill of Amendments na file, it will resolve all the overlapping laws, like sa local government code. Optional lang yung position of city architect. Sa Bill of Amendments natin, mandatory na yung position, and all other positions that architect is needed. So yun yung mga natin doon. So pag nasa batas yun, well, actually it will take a long time. Maybe it will go beyond the presidency of NPLA. But still, yun na yung isa sa mga sagot natin. In actuality, this work was supposed to be last year's output, because when I got elected, the first term, there were only two objectives. One is the 9266 issue, and second, the financial independence of UAP. So, while I was attending to the financial independence, I had a group, an existing group, which the administration continued to do the work. Unfortunately, hindi na-deliver yun. So I had to step in the second term. Amidst all yung, I say na parang malingiti na sa akin na dinisolve ko raw yung committee. The basis of this, actually there's no basis on the dissolution. The actual events took place during the National Board of Office, which AMP was present. And my information came from members of that council. Hindi ako nag-decide on what the National Board. Gusto ko lang pa-intindihin sa inyo na hindi ako may dahilan ba't ko dinisolve yung visa. All the inputs came from within their council. So I had to air it to the National Board, and the National Board decided. And they voted unanimously. Kung sinasabing pinush ko, hindi naman ako pumunta nun eh. Kasi the President and Chairman only votes when there is a time. So unanimously vote on the National Board to resign from TICA, and that the UAP continues the work. Kasi nga, kung malalaman lang ni Chairman Noe, kung ano talaga yung nangyari, mas maintindihan niya. Kaso nga, nataywa ko, we have to be with that respect to respect his decision. Kaya ang naman yung will job yun. Okay na, nalang problema. Basta yung supposed to be in 12 months time natapos, Marlon was able to finish it in 10 months time. So, i-deliver na lang natin ngayon yan sa national board elect. Para sila na ang mapatuloy ng pagsama sa press. So, these are one of the achievements actually. Of course, I'm very proud ako sa CONEX na intent. The practice, alam niyo, ang sikreto ng CONEX is always you have to touch the big practice. Kasi sila talaga ang pinupuntahan ng mga senators. Big practice, not only the big practice, but all the practitioners. That's why I was proposing to Carlo na I hope B3 would, kasi patingin ninyo, yung B3, lalo B1 at B2, lalo ng B3, ang lahat yung bulk ng practitioners. I was proposing to Carl during your time, Santa Carlo, you're able to organize an association of practitioners. Regardless whether you're big or small, basta ikaw register ka, nag-resibo ka, you'll be part of that. Kasi sa tingin ko sa convention ng UAP, less na narinig yung practitioners na walang representation madalas ng national. Madalas naging generic lang yung practitioners. Pero pag tingnan mo yan sa hierarchy ng mga taxpayers sa government, nakita nyo, sino pinakamalaking mag-contribute sa tax? Diba yung legal income group? Yan ang nakapagod, yan lahat ng shoulder. Yan ang laging diligent nagbabayad ng tax. Hindi pa kayo sa New York National, yung practitioners ang diligently paying their dues for them to be able to continue their practice. Ang madalas makikita mo naman nagreklamo, yung hindi nagpa-practice. Hindi lang sila pa-practice, kaya hindi magbayad na kayo po. Pero pag tinignan nyo yung cross-section, makikita nyo. So, the practitioners is the one. My degree has to do this too. Because for about 8 years in a row now, B3 is the largest paying member district sa national. We're always number one for the past 8 years. Past 8 years, number one members in good standing ang B3. So pag tinignan mo, nandun lahat yung talagang practitioner. Second is B3. Second is B3, tapos meron ang third. A4. So, malaking tasa na ito. We're close to 2,000 na members in good standing. Hindi pumapali yun, malaki pala ito. So, meaning, nasa atin yung balo ng nagbabayad diligently sa UAP. So, I wish that, we may be able to push association of architectural practitioners on the Philippines sa district natin, in other districts. Of course, noon sa architect, sigurado yung campaign, during the deliberation na chairman at sabi na ni NDBP sa akin, is there an underlying commitment sa presente sigurado sa Ingeniero Delegado? Sabi ko, no, Your Honor, we are cousins. You know how cousins are, nothing that we cannot sit down and talk about. Okay. Well, of course, you know what's funny about the deliberation? I had the big book committee with me, and of course our chairman, Annie, and NEVP. They were all there to support me in case I forgot some of the achievements or accomplishments of the administration. But because the spirit that we developed was to tell the story of UAP, the questions were limited to the story of UAP. One overwhelming factor or achievement that we were able to do this year was actually the turnout of elections. While I reported there that we have 93% turnout, the truth is actually we have 100% turnout. 93% were canvas. The other 7%, yun yung mga stray ballots. Anong conditions? Like for example, yung shade, hindi sinake. Nilagyan ng shade sa gitna, ginawa niya maka. Okay? Yung iba naman, ginawa loto. Ginuwitan lang sa gitna. Yung iba naman, mas maganda. Nilagay sa ibang envelope. So, hindi na nila. So, stray ballots yun. Yung isa naman, tama, inilagay naman sa ibang butas. So, pag nakikita nyo, may konting complaints doon sa aspect naman, siyempre, excited ako, hindi natuloy siya dila. Pero pag tingnan mo, ang statement doon is, bakit yung 93% nakasunod? Diba? Yung 7% hindi. So, meaning, generally, direct voting ang members sa chapters nila. The chapter consensus was taken sa election rules. No deadlines, no nothing, no setbacks. Basta the president arrives, bulong siya. So, that's one of the achievements of this administration actually. No, giving back the vote. We tried that last year, no, kaya lang extend sa meron, no, so, meron pa rin issue. So, this year, nasagot natin yung electoral reforms. In a case, 100% naman is, they are so overwhelmed, actually, sa statement ni Vice President Claire. No? They are so overwhelmed, ang objective is actually not to fail. Kasi we have 65% out of 93% party. Diba? So there is no reason to fail. Walang excuse. Not like when I was elected, I only had 25% of 60%. I was a minority president. Imagine that, diba? 75% of 60% na void by God's will. By interpretation siguro. But, so I had a moral obligation, no, to return that favor, no, the trust na nililid sa akin by giving back the vote. No. So, we're looking forward. No. And of course, because of the international exposure, of course, the emergency architects, of course, the projects of Cavite, Panelo na Cavite, we were very, we played a vital part in the big book, no? Especially the emergency projects program. We were invited, which I'm going to attend, so first global reception dinner for the big project, by no less than the American Institute of Architects. So I'm going to attend the same invitation. And we will be presenting five slides of our organization in 3 minutes time. Imagine that global. So if you want to see how important that event is, actually, you go to the website. Some of the illustrious figures in the AIA community itself will attend the dinner, for which UAP will be presented, and the UAP emergency architects together with the other projects of the UAP Commission will be displayed. At least ngayon narinig na tayo. Arkitekto sigurado campaign, narinig na sa ibang bansa. And I think by Acacia next, the 4th week of June, Acacia, yung CSR ng Acacia, may strength because of that campaign. Of course, we had the journal doing the artist division, and WDA and now celebration, which for the first time yielded a revenue that helped national continue, that helped national financial independence. No? For the past 2 years, there were no excuse given by any sponsor to any chapter not to sponsor their activity because they are already given to national. Ha? Wala. All over yan, nationwide yan. A single sponsor cannot say no to any chapter because they have given national funds. So we're proud of that. No? Kasi, then, because of that, the self-esteem and the projects of the chapters talagang na-uplift siya and help national. And by raising the self-esteem of our members through that campaign, the membership dues also increase, which actually contributes 30% of the national expense. So pag tingnan niyo yung pie chart, yung membership dues covers only 30% of the national expense. 70% is actually the effort of the officers, the leadership to source out. In the past presidencies, part of that, half of that 70% is solicited from national sponsors. Yung mga mega sponsors natin doon kukuha. So at least yung 35% and 70%, konti na lang yung nag-raise. But this time, for 2 years, yung 70%, all the leaders was able to raise that funds, much needed funds. So much that the National Treasurer proposed last term the increase in district director funds. Kaya yung kasi nasabi ka, walang pera yung UAP, walang pera yung UAP. Sa sunod, wala tayong pera. Ano tayo kabayo ng UAP sa sweldo ng dalawang taon. Plus, of course, yun nga. Kasi when I started, traditionally, wala talagang pera na ma-using ang national president today. Traditional niya, naiwan lang sa kanya is yung at least 2 months operation. Why? Kasi pagdating ng June, nagpapayag ka ng ayaw. So meron ka na gawin pag-tulay. Dati, pag umabot ng NCA, yung NCA fund, nakakatulong mo yun. Nawala NCA. Napalitan ng expense. Naging meron yung SMBC. Naging expense for valuation. So nangyari yun, yung goal na established. Yung goal na yun, established siya to cater to the headquarters. Matapos yung mga kailangan ng headquarters. So nangyari yun, hinihiram mo na yun, hanggang inaantay na yun yung connects na October. So pagdating ng connects na October nyo siya, pinabalik naman yung, so gano'n yung simple, yung ikot ng cycle, yung cycle ng UAP funds. Kaya pagka walang national sponsor noon, talaga wala kang mararamdaman sa national kung di yung bill. Wala kang mararamdaman. Pero this time, since nung nakapun tayo, tulong ng lahat ng nagtrabaho sa amin, lahat ng naniwala sa atin, nanitawin na natin yung dalawa. And may konting swerte pa kasi hindi ko naman mauubos yung kondo. And may matitira pa ako sa susunod na medyo mabibigyan pa siya ng mga 4 na lumpa para makalibo. So yun lang naman. Kasi marami pa tayong na-accomplish this year. Yung nagkaroon ng dahil bigay. But I'm really hoping that we will really stick together until matapos yung transition period, to remain a solid district, actually a pathfinder, a pioneering district, a leader and a national. Yung konting tampuhan nun natin, sa tabi na lang natin. Hindi mawawala yung tampuhan, pero sa tabi na natin. Because at the end of the day, marami naman tayo na-accomplish together. And uulit-ulitin ko, walang sari-rosal, kung walang bigay. Utang ko sa inyo lahat. Kasi hindi yung bata sa akin, hindi na ito makaka-accomplish natin. Uupo lang ako dun. Paper mo lang, paper mo. Pero dahil sa inyo, dahil sa support nyo sa akin, sa lahat ng tumulong sa akin, ng nakarang 2 taon, nagawa natin lahat yung inaakala natin dapat na ibigay natin sa ating organisasyon. Ngayon, tatawid tayo sa sa susunod na yugto ng ating organisasyon. Lalaban tayo sa 9266, magkakaroon ng transition ng ating organisasyon yung sa virus. So, it becomes better and better. Narinig na tayo ng mundo, sana yung, kung hindi man ituloy ng national yung pag-index sigurado campaign, sa District 50, ituloy natin. Kasi kaya nga yun naman, sinabi ko kailangan kayo, I want something generic, something na kahit team chapter, pwede ituloy. Hindi siya kailangan ng national na ituloy. Tayo lahat, pwede magtuloy. Kaya when Commissioner Magalini asked me the question, we have so many projects in UAP. What would be your pilot project? Tinulong ko yun sa ating health sigurado ako. Because kung hindi mo namin pinusyon, hindi mo ma-uplift yung self-esteem ng mga member namin into producing worthwhile CSR projects for the organization and also giving the public the impression that the architect is the right professional for their buildings for their societies. Okay. So, yes, it's not 25, it's 26.5. Anyway, so, simple naman, protect the profession, promote practice, and in the end, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We have served the members. Again, my sincerest thanks, gratitude to all of you. I'm really happy to serve in this great company. Thank you. And then, MVP, no, and of course, no, kapasalamat na lang ako sa harap nila kung wala yung si MVP, yung mga programs natin, hindi naman so, Carlos, take it away. Thank you.
Thank you, AFP, for a very short message. Nasa mga yung lobat na. Ano yan? Sharing pa rin mo. Ayaw po tayo konti. Sharing po tayo. Okay. Panginoon, basasan niyo po ang aming kakainin ngayon. Sana po, Panginoon, yung nutrisyon sa hindi lang sa aming katawan, kundi sa aming spirito. At sana, Panginoon, bigyan na rin, Panginoon, ang mga wala nito, pasapasan niyo rin ang prepare nito. Lahat nito ay sinasabi namin sa mga namin.
Amen.
Working lives tayo,